Now for the Sea-Dweller 13660, it looks identical, and look at this clasp. Is there like a difference? Do you see anything that's different? Let me see here, because I couldn't tell at first. It looks the same, right? The size is a little different, of course, but I mean, as far as the actual glide lock goes, right? It looks the same. So watch this. This is pretty interesting. So for the Sea-Dweller, same idea. You open it. So here's fine, looks the same. Now watch this. As you want to adjust the band, look what happens. How cool is this? I never knew this was a thing. Basically, it just pops out.